Career development is the process of finding your footing in your professional life. This process involves assessing where you are now compared to where you want to be and creating a plan to get there. It is the process of wanting a position and developing the skills, knowledge, and motivation to eventually pursue it. Sometimes help in planning and gaining the skills comes from within a person's current employment. The first step is to have a written list of goals that are in sync, in leading from the short-term steps to achieving the long-term goals. The first step is to know what you want, and then to have some evidence that it will be something you could be happy and successful doing. To accomplish that, you will need to what the skills and circumstance will consist of if you achieve your goal. The second step will be to start a plan that will lead you to becoming a good fit for the goal you have set. Start by making a list of what you enjoy doing in a work setting. Then make a list of your skills drawing on all your past experiences. Both of these lists need to be ranking from those you like best or are best at doing on the top of the list down to the least liked and skilled at. The same approach can be used on other employment factors like salary, commute time, work type like teams, or working on your own. When these are ranked with what you want, most you will have 3 lists. Finding the best career fit involves searching for the jobs that fit the top preferences of each list. If you're missing an important skill or criteria, then working on those as short-term steps will be obvious. Important steps in the process. Believe in yourself. Never stop learning. Sharpen your people skills. Expand your network, find a mentor. Build your reputation.